guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Pretty Little Thing try on haul. I was feeling a bit rubbish, you know, with self-isolation and everything, so I thought I'd treat myself and buy myself some clothes just to chill in. I didn't have many loungewear sets and stuff, so I thought I'd buy myself some more just to chill in rather than wearing jeans around the house. If you'd like to see what I bought and what it looks like, then carry on watching and I hope you enjoy the video. So I bought 3 loungewear sets in total, so I got a grey one, a pink one and a black one. So I'll show you the grey one first. So this one, the material is really nice. It's nice for like winter. It's more of like a thicker material. I love the like trousers, they're like kind of legging style. They do make my thighs look really big, so I probably won't be wearing this, to be honest. I don't really like how it looks on me, but on the model, you know, on the website it looked really nice, but it just didn't suit me, I don't think. The sleeves on the arms are like more flared, which is nice because it's like kind of cozy rather than being tight. So something you can definitely just chill in, lounge around the house in. So I much prefer this next loungewear set. So this one's pink. It's kind of the same trousers as before, like the legging style cottony material. But the top has got like a tie-up bit, and it's a bit longer, so it covers your like top of your legs kind of thing. So it's much more comfy and it's much more flattering, I think, for my body shape and type. So the next one I've actually wore 3 times now. I'm literally in love with it. It's all black. It's got like a slip shoulder, so you can hang it over one shoulder or you can just have it kind of normal. It's really comfy. It's got pockets, you know. It's quite baggy and stretchy, so you can kind of have it how you want to wear it. If you want it a bit baggier, you can. If you want to like tighten it up by the waist and stuff, you can. And because it's all black, it's quite slimming as well, and it's really comfy. It's like a nice material. It's quite different to the other 2, but I definitely prefer this one over all of them. So far, that's like one of my favourite things that I bought from Pretty Little Thing. So the next thing I bought were 2 sets of pyjamas. So one is the trouser and top set, so it's like got peaches all over it. It says peachy on the bum. It's nice. The top is a bit tight and it's also very see-through. I think maybe because it's white. I don't usually wear white clothes because they tend to either get see-through or they're not very flattering. For me anyway, they're not very slimming, so I'd rather not wear that. But I thought I'd get it anyway because I thought it looked cute on the model, but it only looks cute on the model because it doesn't look nice on me. So depressing. The other pyjama set is this one. This is one of my favourites as well that I bought. It's silky pink and it's got unicorns on it, which is like my 3 favourite things, so this is like perfect for me. It's the short set. It looks nice either tucked in or not tucked in. You can wear it in different ways. So the next thing I bought was not loungewear. It's this top. So I thought I needed some more going out tops for when I can actually go out, when I go like, you know, to the cinema or to get food or something. So it's like a weird material. It's quite nice, but I'm not entirely sure it's very flattering. It like sticks out at the bottom, which I thought would be cute, but it's kind of a weird material that doesn't make it look that cute. The sleeves also come out at the bottom as well. I'm going to keep everything because I can never be bothered to send it back. The last thing I bought were these trainers. So they're just plain white trainers with some snake skin on the back. I need some more well, I don't need any more shoes, but I wanted some new ones. All my trainers I've had for a long time, so I just thought I'd buy some for going out where they're just clean and nice and they're in good condition, and they've got like the snake print at the back, so it just gives it a bit of something. That's everything I bought from Pretty Little Thing. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a like, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications when I upload a video in the future, and I shall see you in my next one.